Are you looking for the best Epson printer for sublimation? In this video we will look at some of the best Epson printer for sublimation on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson SureColor P700. The Epson SureColor P700 is an advanced inkjet printer designed to deliver outstanding image quality and color precision. It achieves this through a variety of innovative features and technologies. The SureColor P700 utilizes an all-new Ultrachrome Pro 10 ink system that includes a violet ink, which significantly expands the color gamut. This results in prints that exhibit vibrant and rich colors, making it an ideal choice for photographers and graphic artists who demand high-quality output. Unlike some printers that require users to switch between photo and matte black inks, the SureColor P700 features dedicated nozzles for both black ink types. This eliminates the need for manual switching and ensures a seamless printing experience. Epson has incorporated a new 10-channel micro-piezo AMC printhead into the SureColor P700. This printhead technology consistently delivers prints with outstanding speed, precision, and accuracy. It is essential for producing professional-grade prints with fine details and sharpness. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET15000. The Epson EcoTank ET15000 is a high-performance printer designed to offer cost-effective and efficient printing solutions. It is part of the Epson EcoTank series, which is known for its innovative ink delivery system and eco-friendly features. However, it's important to note that the Epson printing system is intended to be used exclusively with Epson genuine cartridges, as using non-genuine ink may lead to damage that is not covered under the printer's limited warranty. One of the key highlights of the Epson EcoTank ET15000 is its exceptional cost savings on ink. It allows users to save up to 90% on ink costs by using low-cost replacement ink bottles compared to traditional ink cartridges. This translates to approximately 1 cent per color ISO page with the EcoTank system compared to about 20 cents with cartridges. Number 3. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550 is a versatile all-in-one photo printer designed to meet a variety of printing needs, including dynamic photos, worksheets, brochures, and informational flyers. This printer is equipped with features that make it suitable for both personal and professional use. One of the standout features of the EcoTank Photo ET8550 is its impressive print speed, capable of delivering up to 16 pages per minute. This allows users to efficiently handle large printing tasks without long wait times. Moreover, it distinguishes itself from traditional inkjet printers by being cartridge-free. Instead of cartridges, it uses refillable ink bottles, which not only reduces waste but also ensures high quality and vivid colors in your prints. The printer offers multiple connectivity options, making it convenient to use from virtually anywhere. With wireless connectivity, 802.11b/g/n/a/ac, users can print remotely, eliminating the need for a direct physical connection. Additionally, the printer supports Ethernet and USB connections for those who prefer wired setups. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 is an innovative printer designed to provide cost-effective and eco-friendly printing solutions. With its unique features, it stands out in the market for those looking to save money on ink cartridges and reduce their environmental footprint. One of the standout features of the Epson EcoTank ET2720 is its ability to save users up to 80% on printing costs compared to traditional ink cartridges. This is achieved through the use of low-cost replacement ink bottles that are not only budget-friendly but also easy to fill thanks to the supersized ink tanks. Cartridge-free printing is a core benefit of this printer, as it comes with up to 2 years of ink included in the box, and each replacement ink set extends this duration. This means you won't have to worry about constantly buying and replacing cartridges, and it's especially convenient for users with high printing needs. Number 5. Workforce WF7710. The Workforce WF7710 is a versatile all-in-one printer manufactured by Epson, designed to cater to a wide range of printing needs. This printer boasts a set of features that make it a valuable addition to both home and small office environments. One of its standout features is its precision core technology, which enables users to create high-quality borderless prints of up to 13 inches by 19 inches in size. This capability is especially useful for producing large-format documents, photos, posters, and other visual materials with professional-looking results. In terms of paper handling, the WF7710 comes equipped with a 250-sheet paper tray, offering ample storage for your everyday printing tasks. Additionally, this tray can accommodate up to 20 sheets of photo paper or 10 envelopes, making it flexible for various print jobs. This eliminates the need for frequent paper replenishments.